yeah, this service is through the web service container. For in this session, I will use the WebLogic, Oracle WebLogic, and through the Java EE agent. So the data service are done through the WebLogic, and another one is the runtime service. Runtime service means you can execute your scenario in ODI. For example, you can execute a load plan or a mapping. Or generate the scenario. After you generate the scenario, you can call it through web, call a URL. Then you will execute your scenario, or you can stop execution, or you can monitor the process of the task. So that's all done through a web call URL. And this one can be done through a agent, for example, Java EE agent or a standalone agent, because this kind of service is integrated in agent. So later I will show you. Yeah, in the agent you can see the web service for the runtime service. And another one is the calling the third-party service. For example, here this is our ODI, and this is the third party. So in ODI, you can just call a URL to get data from the third party through a URL, or you can insert data or update data. Yeah, just based on what privilege you have on the third party website. So this is three subjects in the web service of ODI. And here today I will show you the environment. One is my notebook, is the host. Here is Windows 7, and in Windows 7 I have installed the ODI. And another one is the virtual machine. I have installed a virtual machine, and here is a Linux. And in this Linux, I have also installed the ODI. You see ODI here. So just in this environment, I can call the web service from one ODI and to another ODI. Let's see see this kind of service between machines, between different machines. Here. Yeah, first is the data service. Data service I have created in here. This is our. Where is it? Yeah, this is the ODI console. Here you can see what service we have. For the data service, you need to create a data service and deploy it in the WebLogic. You can see here I have deployed one. Deployment. Yeah, I have deployed a Scott, just named the Scott. Under Scott, you can see 3 tables. Department, employment, 3 table, and you can just call this URL. For example, here this. Yeah, this is the URL. we will be using. This, once you deploy the service, yeah, you will get a URL, and the third party can call this URL. So for this one, I have deployed this service. You can just call this one to get data. And okay, let's call this one to get data. Yeah, I will call it from virtual machine. Yeah, virtual machine. Yeah, yeah, let's see. You create a package. Let's create a package, and here is the tools. Invoke web service. Here you need to provide the URL. Yeah. Yeah. Now you can see what service we have through this URL. Add DEPT means you can add a record and add a few records, delete. Yeah, this is the search, get, and update. All kinds of services, insert, update, delete. You can get it from here just based on your access. Yeah, we can try a simple one, get filter. This means you will get the record based on the condition here, department or name or location. You can leave it to get all over the list. Yeah, just we leave it all blank, then it will get all the list here. Yeah, now this is the command this HTTP analyzer just help you to write the command. Now you have got it. So you just send the request. Oh, authorization. Yeah, I think I changed something here. Yeah, now this is the data we have got. This is this data in that table. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 records. So this, you code a web URL, then you get data. Also, you can save this data to your local machine. For example, you can save it You can specify the parameter. Here is the parameter. Storage mode for response file. Create a new file. And encoding we leave it blank. Response file is specify a file name. For example, it's home Oracle. You can create web data and create a file name pvpt.xml. Format XML. Then save it. And then you can run this package. New name. Nope, just run it. Right. Yeah, finish. And then let's check the file. Home web, yeah, here it is. Yeah, this is the full record. And okay, let's try another one because we have a few services here. Apply it. Another one, the same thing. Yes, different table, different URL. Here. This is the employee table. Yeah, so you can see all different now because this is done through the URL service. When you call this URL, yeah, actually these parameters are all included in this service. Once you call it, you will get it, and all the list in here, the function you can use. And yeah, we save it as a different name. Save it and run it again. So this will, yeah, this time it will call another URL. Run. Yeah, finish. No. We'll go home web data. Yeah, you can see this file now. Yeah, it's a very big file. It's because a lot of record in the employee table. And you can, you can insert data too. You can insert, update, or delete. Yeah. So this is the service of this is the ODI Web Service of data service. Your data service, you call a URL through the web logic, and then you can get the data in the data store. We just search the data in data store, not including the data in CDC, because now we don't have that kind of data. But it says, it has this function. You can search you can access the CDC data too. Okay, another one is the runtime service. Runtime service means you can call a URL and to execute your scenario, or stop the execution, or monitor the process of a scenario execution. So this kind of service, is integrated in the agent, the web agent. Here I can show you where it is. Sorry. Yeah, this is our Java EE agent. You can see under this agent, you can see ODI invoke. This is a web service. This is the invoke, called invoke. Actually, this is you can call this service to to do the runtime work in your ODI. So you can call it. Yeah, let's check its URL. Yeah, this is the URL. It provides. You can just call this URL, and then you will, you can see what you can do there. We still do it in another machine, Linux. And it's also through the core web service. Yeah, invoke web service. But the URL is different now. This is the URL for the invoke. Yeah, so you can see now it's all different. So the command here you can do is get the load plan status. Means you submit a load plan. Now you want to check the status, get the session status, get the version, your ODI version, get the restart a load plan. Probably it's errored out or stuck somewhere. You can restart it. Restart the session. And start load plan, start the scenario. Now let's start the scenario. Stop load plan. Refresh agent config. So we can let's just try one. Invoke a scenario. Invoke start a scenario. It means you start to execute a scenario. So once you choose an operation, now the parameters are all different now. So okay, let's see. ODI user. Now we have a super user. Weather password Oracle work repository work REP. And this is the scenario name. Let's call it from my local machine. I have a scenario. Yeah, this scenario. This is the scenario. Basically, this is a mapping. Yeah, test table. I have two tables under different schema. Yeah, here. Test table. This, yeah, I think this is the source table. This is the target table. Let's see here if there's any data here. Yeah, data is here. Data is here. Let's delete the data in this table. Truncate. Yeah, now it's a truncate. So now this table is empty. All data is in here. Yeah, all data is in here. So this is a simple mapping. Once we call this mapping, it will populate the section table. So this is a simple one. We just to show how it works. So the scenario name is just this is the scenario name. Put it in here, scenario name. And scenario version 001. And context global. And this is the synchronize all, another one. We can leave it blank. Use the default. The session name, we can create a session name, my session. And the keyword, this keyword based on this command. Actually, this is the agent you are going to use. So we are going to use Oracle DIA agent. This is our Java E agent. So this service is in this agent. So yeah, we put the agent name here. So that's a command here. So that's it. We save it. Okay, save it. Yeah, save this package. So now you will see the URL is here. This is just a URL. You will call this URL, and then the parameter request file. Actually, this is the request. Or our parameter has been put in this request, XML request. The very big. You can see it. Yeah, this is a XML request. Okay, we save it, and then we can run it. After we run it, yeah, it will populate that table, populate this table. Now it's blank. That's blank, and operator. Let's see here. There is the one we deleted. So now you can see today empty. No job here, no task here. So let's submit from the virtual machine. And here, this one, you can run it. Yeah, start it. The operator. Yeah, here it's no issue here. Let's see another one. Yeah, first you the job here. Finish. Insert. This is our mapping. This is the mapping. Just submit our task here. The session name is my session. Yeah. So let's see the table. Yeah. Now this table has been populated. Just to call this job. Yeah. So you can see from web. This is means it's from web. We can call a URL to execute our scenario or load plan, all kind of load plans or mapping or procedure, as long as you generate the scenario, because you can just here you can specify the scenario. Once a scenario has been generated, you can call it from a web. And now this is the web service here. And another one is a core web service. I think this one we have showed it in here because we from the virtual machine we call a web service and get the data to ODI. You can see our file here.